how to enable or disable the Debug Report Shortcut in the Power menu on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the Settings icon. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Developer Options. Next, scroll down. In here, tap on Bug Report Shortcut. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. When you turn it on, it will show a button in the Power menu for taking a bug report. So here, press on the side button to open up the Power menu. And if you tap on the Bug Report button, it will generate a bug report down here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.